In a world full of distractions, sometimes you just have to get away. To find a place where you can be alone and put your eyes on the one who made it all. And in sincere, heartfelt prayer, listen to the voice of the Good Shepherd. The one who was there at the beginning. The one by whom and through whom all that's made was made. Nothing can take his place. Nothing can satisfy like him. He is the Prince of Peace, the hope of our salvation, the rock upon which I stand, the one who calms storms, the author and finisher of our faith. I urge you to take time today to reflect and to be still.
In 2025, AI tools to make it a one-stop shop, those are the platforms that are really interesting to me. So here we are on the NIM platform, and this is where I created the majority of the videos you just saw at the beginning. And this is where you now find me, which I've discovered something exciting aside of Kling AI whilst making this video, was that they've now integrated DeepSeek to help you with prompts to create text to video. So you can see that even Kling AI is now incorporating multiple tools into its platform. It's brought the LLM inside the platform to help you to be able to create and plan your shots with inside of Kling AI. Not only are they helping you to create videos, but they're helping you to create the prompt to create the videos. So the first thing when you come into NIM platform after you've signed in, you'll be presented with this page, and then you can go into the workspace. Then within the workspaces, places where you can have your different folders with your different projects and images, and then you've got create, and in create you've got text to video, image to video, describe. Describe helps you, if you upload an image, it will describe the image to you, and then text to video and restyle. The first thing I did when I created this project was to create a text to image with the tool on the platform here, text to image Flux Pro, and it's a medium close-up of a man in his 30s with short brown hair, a rugged appearance, wearing a dark grey hiking jacket. So once I created the image with Flux Pro, I went through and did image to video with a lot of the different tools, and on this platform they have multiple tools that you can select from to use. So if you go into image to video, you'll see that in the drop down menu here you have the choice of Kling Standard, Minimax, WAN, VO2, Kling Pro, Luma Array 2 and LTX, and they all have different prices, you know, because they all cost different amounts for the company to create videos, but then the quality is different as well. So this is all of them in order here. This one is Kling Pro output of the image to video along with the text, which is the same for each one. James checks his smartphone while climbing a rugged mountain path. It's a nice one there, and it's at 30 frames per second. And then the next one here is Luma Array 2, which is also a very nice image, which I used in the actual video. WAN is at just 16 frames per second. You can upscale it if you like it, in terms of you can increase the frames per second. And then you've got LTX, which is the lowest priced video, and yeah, enough said. Then the next one we've got here is Cog Video X, which is the second cheapest video one, which is not that great. And then the last one we got here is VO2, which is one of the best ones, along with Kling AI. You can see it looks like he's trying to talk to someone there, but the earpods are invisible. All the prompts for these videos were made within ChatGPT. So I just wanted a short story that would tell of a guy who was going up a mountain, and he was so distracted by so many things in life, even his mobile phone, even on the mountain, and then he turned his eyes on God and he found peace. So for the voices within this video, I used voices within 11 Labs, and then all of this was put together within CapCut. All of the little clips from there were brought together and then laid up on top. Then I added in this little graphic, which was just from Canva with a green screen here. The music layered at the bottom, Take Time to Be Alone, and the voices from 11 Labs. This is the voice. In a world full of distractions. And sound effects, these are all the sound effects, which were just from within the audio sound effects up here, top left. And I just repeated a sound effect.
In a world full of distractions, sometimes you just have to get away.
And then the audio here, the music is from Suno.
In a world full of distractions, sometimes you just have to get away.
The audio was created within Suno, and I'll show you that quickly. And here we are within Suno, and this is a song, and it was called Take Time to Be Alone. The prompt was very simple. The prompt was basically thoughtful, contemplative, inspiring. That was it. Thoughtful, contemplative, and inspiring, and using the V4 version of Suno. and I got 2 versions of the song, and this was the one that I really enjoyed. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video today. If you have, make sure to give it a like and a thumbs up, and if you'd like to join the course where we talk about how to make videos like this and to grow your brand and reach on YouTube, check out the pinned comment below this video, and make sure to check out NIM platform as well for all of your video creation needs and different tools. There'll be a link for that below the video, and I'll see you in one of these other videos soon. Have a great day.